Hello, my name is Jeff Goodman with GE Aviation's Customer Technical Education Center. I'm here today to talk about the proper installation of preformed packings and packing retainers for the GEnx line replaceable units and pressure sensors. These are important due to the high pressures found in the GEnx fuel system.
Use only new preformed packing seals and preformed packing retainers when you install a component. There are two preformed packing retainers used for each preformed packing seal. The preformed packing seal is installed between the two preformed packing retainers. Lubricate the preformed packing seal and preformed packing retainers with clean engine oil. You must minimize the amount that you deform the preformed packing retainers when you install them on the fuel port tubes. Install the first preformed packing retainer in the groove on the fuel port tube. Install the preformed packing seal. Install the second preformed packing retainer. Inspect the scarf cuts on the preformed packing retainers as follows. Make sure that the scarf cut gap is not excessive. An excessive scarf cut gap is an indication that the preformed packing retainer has been permanently deformed or that the seal and retainer assembly is not correctly installed. If there is an excessive scarf cut gap caused by damage to the preformed packing retainer, replace the preformed packing retainer. Make sure that the scarf cuts on the preformed packing retainers are not aligned. If the scarf cuts are aligned, carefully turn one of the preformed packing retainers so the scarf cuts do not align.
Thank you for watching this GE Aviation Maintenance Minute on the installation of the packings and retainers for the GEnx engine. See you next time.